Let's explore Docker secrets, a secure method for passing sensitive data to containers. This presentation will cover what Docker secrets are and how to use them effectively to manage sensitive information like passwords, API keys, and certificates in your Docker Swarm deployments. Docker secrets provide a secure way to store and manage sensitive data, such as passwords, API keys, and certificates, within a Docker Swarm environment. Secrets are encrypted at rest, ensuring that sensitive data is not stored in plain text. They are also encrypted in transit, protecting them during transmission across the network. Access control mechanisms are in place to restrict which services can access specific secrets. Let's compare the approaches. Without secrets, you might find yourself storing passwords in environment variables, Docker files, or even plain text files, which is not a secure practice. On the other hand, Docker secrets offer encrypted storage, controlled access, and secure distribution of sensitive information. Before diving into Docker secrets, there are a few prerequisites to keep in mind. Firstly, Docker secrets are designed to work within Docker Swarm mode, so you'll need a Swarm environment set up. Secondly, you will need access to a Swarm Manager node to create and manage secrets. To begin, you need to initialize Swarm mode on your Docker host. Execute the command docker swarm init. This command turns your current Docker host into a Swarm Manager, allowing you to start using Swarm features like secrets. There are two primary ways to create a secret in Docker Swarm. The first method is from the command line. You can pipe a string directly into the Docker secret create command, as shown here, creating a secret named dbpass. Alternatively, you can create a secret from a file. In this case, the Docker secret create command reads the content of password.txt and stores it as a secret named dbpass. To manage your secrets, Docker provides commands to list and inspect them. To see a list of all secrets in your swarm, you can use the Docker secret list command. To get detailed information about a specific secret, such as its ID, creation date, and update date, use the Docker secret inspect command followed by the name of the secret. To utilize a secret, you need to attach it to a service when deploying it. You can attach the secret to a service using the secret flag followed by the name of the secret, in this case db_pass. When the service is deployed, Docker Swarm ensures that the secret is securely mounted into the containers of the service. Inside a container, secrets are mounted in the file system at the /run/secrets directory. Each secret has its own file named after the secret's name. The content of the secret is stored in this file. To access the secret, you can simply read the content of the file using a command like cat/run/secrets/db_pass. Let's explore some best practices. Regularly rotate secrets for better security. Grant access to secrets only to services that truly need it, following the principle of least privilege. Never hardcode secrets directly into your code, images, or configuration files. Monitor the usage of secrets to keep track of which services are accessing them. This helps in auditing and identifying potential security breaches. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.